Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Fans on TV, we're at the Altar Bar. It's the Petway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by China.
Let's take it to the game.
Yeah.
What a great game, Yamachita. They played very well. Like I said earlier on, that if you take Kaizer Chiefs to PE, it's their home game. The Orbit lana idlalwe Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality. What Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality did, bathenge Orbit. But then bayazi in terms of tourism, in terms of economy, in terms of everything, i-Orbit uyacavutha ground at the moment. So bayithatha bayoyibeka e-PE, bashiya Royal Bafokeng, bashiya Peter Mokaba old, Peter Mokaba new, Peter Mokaba. They're supposed to take this game lapha Polokwane, and then abayanga Polokwane, the whole logistic and stuff is over cost bayazi nabo, and then mabefike PE, they are not familiar, they are not used on such environment and stuff, and then Kaizer Chiefs yayithatha home game yayenze yabo. Indeed, the boys from the field bathatha home game bayenze yabo, and then it's very sad for the Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality. The team abayibhayile ayibenzelanga iqiniso, but and then Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality ipopile in terms of tourism, in terms of accommodations, hotels and stuff, and then Orbit didn't abayifundanga situation. So however, asikho they were supposed to take that game Peter Mokaba, hamba uthatha le game uyibeke Petersburg uzoba grand, but ke ayibenzanga kanjalo. But that's going to the games, Tibo. I think Kaizer Chiefs, the boys from the previous game, bayakhula. This is the third game abayinna in a row, and then another thing is that Umabua, what a great performance, 3 games, 3 men of the matches. And then now it means that boys is cooler. So Kaizer Chiefs is quite doing well. We can't dispute that. Yes, we understand Kaizer Chiefs had situations, and then we can't dispute anything that even fans did on socials who would say, no, this is what we want. They were supposed to be vocal. And then since that, since that time, boys now is Pagamile. We do see the progress. We do see the teamwork. We appreciate the boys. And then if you look back, Utuba, I will always appreciate Utuba. The first 5 games that we won, Utuba was part of the team.
He was.
And then Utuba, Kaizer Chiefs haven't lost a game, Utuba Kone came in. That's one great thing about Utuba. Yes, we appreciate every player, but Ikona that lucky Utuba, and then Utuba had una impact idlala came in. And then going on forward, ngifuna ukukhuluma nabo Kwinda, nabo Lovers. The league is open. I want to go to you, Machinet. The league is open. Us as Kaizer Chiefs fans, those who are saying that Sundowns will win the league, they are just being jealous. The league is open. The league is open. Whoever says that Pirates won't win the league is being jealous. At this point, no one knows what will happen in the next games. No analysis, not even Betway understand who will win the league. Betway, Hollywood, Super Bets, no one knows who will win the league. Every bookmaker doesn't know who will win the game. At this point, what actually Kaizer Chiefs fans and supporters wish to happen is that we're now losing the league. You know the reason why? Nikhuluma kakhulu. The reason why we don't want you to win the league is because of you talk too much. Otherwise, you are capable of winning the league. You are capable. You are capable of winning the league. But only if you can just shut your mouth. We can support you on that. Even us to Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we don't like this ongoing thing that Sundowns win the league every season. But the problem is you. Pirates can win the league only if ever they shut their mouth.
I don't think.
No, Now, the reason why we even wish for our team to lose against Sundowns and then us to draw against them or win against them is because of one peace. Remember that when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, it's love and peace. So we'll always protect our peace. And then you are an enemy towards our peace. So because of we know that you guys will give us a problem, we end up deciding that even if ever Sundowns take the lead.
I don't think you can shut up.
At this point, I think the boys are very motivated going on forward.
We don't need your motivation. We'll beat you up.
I don't think you will beat us up because of you will struggle again tomorrow against uManqoba Mngqithi. Ubaba ka ubani nomntwana wakhe. Ubaba ka Asavela will teach you a lesson tomorrow. Abafana boPhuthu, we believe in them. From the Kaizer Chiefs, we wish Abafana boPhuthu to do the right thing. The right thing. Tomorrow we are the friends of Abafana boPhuthu. I always criticize these Golden Arrows. That team is Iafana Nabo Chippa United. But at this point, tomorrow I'll bet Orlando to support Abafana boPhuthu. We need them to do the right thing so that they can silence the noise. Ubaba ka Asavela, if ever he can disappoint me tomorrow, I'm writing Golden Arrows off to PSL. Sundowns, even if ever no, Sundowns we don't have a problem. Even if ever Sundowns get beaten us, as long as we're gonna beat Orlando Pirates, we're happy.
Then we are happy.
We are happy.
Need Ubaba ka Asavela.
Ubaba ka Asavela, we say Sundowns 1-0. Yaphela game. No, Ubaba ka Asavela need to do the right thing. If ever Ubaba ka Asavela doesn't do the right thing, Umamu Arrows. Mamanto. Kumela coach Ubaba ka Asavela. His time is up. You can't be a promising coach over and over.
They do have a promising player for 10 seasons. Shabalala.
He's been promising for 10 seasons.
We're giving him more 15 seasons. He's been a youngster forever.
And then another thing.
Another 22. Another 22. Africa got 35.
For the past 11 years, Leauti Agboma 7, Uvuma, he's been trying, but no, his time is up. His time is up. We love him, we support him, we've been there. But now we are not getting what we are giving to him. We go all out, we buy the brand, we do everything. But no, his time. I think some players, in order for us to fix the team, we support them until the end of the season, but at least some players, I'm a contractor end in June. I don't
renew.